Hey TikTok Shop sellers! Already signed up for Fulfillment by TikTok Shop or FBT? Wondering about how you prepare your items to ship to FBT and everything from a customer placing an order to the customer receiving their item? Well, we're shooting this video right from the FBT warehouse, and over the next 4 videos we will show you the entire process. To start off, once you've signed up for FBT, you may be wondering how to prepare your product for shipment to the warehouse. How do you label your products? Do you send a couple of boxes, an entire pallet, or a whole shipping container?
You'll first need to create an inbound order to FBT. This includes a list of everything you've been planning to send to the warehouse, so we have a list to check against once your items arrive here. Next, you should prepare to send products to FBT. This includes clearly labeling your products with the right SKU labeling, which stands for Stock Keeping Unit. That matches in the system, and packaging your items correctly so they don't get damaged. When placing your SKU labels or barcodes, be sure to put them on the products in the way that's easiest to scan, so not over any corners.
Next, do note that FBT only accepts deliveries in boxes or pallets.
When packing your products into boxes, be sure to have items with the same SKU in the same box. Always try to have one box for each product type or SKU. If your items are smaller and can't fill an entire box, do note that you can pack more than one product into the same box, but they have to be clearly separated, and each box can only have a maximum of 5 different products. If these aren't packed correctly, you could incur an inbound surcharge or penalty. Then, attach the shipping mark to the side of your boxes, not the top or ceiling sides. This will also indicate your total number of boxes, so the warehouse can be certain that everything reaches us all together. Be sure to only use one shipping mark per box or pallet.
If you're going to palletize your products, make sure they are securely wrapped with any labels or documents facing the outside.
Lastly, prep your delivery note and pack list to be included in your shipment, and make sure you hand everything over to your chosen delivery method. You can also include the delivery note on the outside of one box or pallet inside a document pouch to be even more safe.
Watch out for our next video, where we'll cover what happens when your deliveries reach the FBT warehouse, right here in the UK Midlands.
Run, don't walk. To like, share, and follow Sell with TikTok Shop UK for more TikTok Shop seller tips and updates.